Hello, folks. Like the hair? I've been underneath the car all morning. Okay, here's the deal. We had a partial spun bearing. Now, a friend of mine, who you guys probably all know, actually told me that there's no way in the world that a spun bearing did not destroy or damage the journals on the crank. Well, guess what, folks? I just got done going through each and every one of the ones that I replaced with the new bearings in it, and not a single scratch on any of the journals. I've got 3 bearings to put in, but I had to go through all of these in order to clear the questionable what do they call it, destruction of the journals. And believe me, I'm like right up underneath it. I'm like maybe 6 inches away from it. There's no way in the world that you could miss it. And that car is going to run. I have to turn the engine manually. It did spin a partial bearing, but like I said, because I didn't run it, and there was no real heating up, there was no possible way of really damaging it. I mean, we don't know that until we look at it, but as far as from what I see, not one scratch on any of the journals on the crank. So I have 3 more to put in, and I'm done. That car is going to run. And I don't even know what time it is, but I've been on it since I got back here. I got through all 5 of them. I checked every one of them, even checked the clearance, all that stuff. Not a single problem, nothing. So, yep, that's my baby right there. She gonna run, dadgummit. All right, well, anyway, enough of me hooting and hollering. I got to get back at it before I have to go back to work. So, like and subscribe, folks, because I've only got 3 left to do and I'm done. All right, we'll talk to you later. Like and subscribe, ring the bell for post notifications, and leave a comment down below. Bye.